Okay, so let's just go ahead and create a text layer like this. Now, you have a few options on the right side right here, right? Align center, but they're not gonna do anything because your layer is set to auto width. Now, if you go ahead and resize this, or just go right here and make it fixed size, uh, all your text is gonna be fit in this rectangle, basically. Like if you add any more text, it would be broken in new lines. So let's take this text we have right now. If we're gonna go and center it, as you can see, now the text is centered within this layer. You can also have the option to align vertically. That's how you do it. Now the issue is, let's say you have a frame, right, like this, and you're trying to center this thing. So as you center it, you'll notice that basically Figma tells you that this is the center, but it's not. I mean, it is, but in reality, it's not, because your text layer is set on fixed size, and Figma is centering this whole rectangle. So to make sure your text layer is centered in your frame, you would have to make it auto width, and now if you drag it, this should be the center of the page. A different way you can do it is you can just select your layer, the text layer, and just press this button, and it centers it automatically in frame. If it's outside of frame, for example, let's say you have this rectangle, you want to center it in this rectangle, right? Select both of them and then just center, and it should also do the same exact thing. So like I said, usually when you have issues centering text layers, it's probably because your text is set on fixed size and Figma recognizes the whole rectangle area and is trying to center it, and in reality it's not centered. So yeah, that's how you center text layers in Figma.